Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be going magnet fishing and we just ordered a magnet. It says it's 400 pounds. We're going to be unboxing it, so let's check it out. Alright guys, here's the box. Let's open it. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. See? Here's the box. You could see it compared to my hand. About as big as my hand. See? Okay, so we have our paracord, which we will connect to the magnet, I'm guessing. Yeah. Then pull it out with that. And here's the magnet. That's what it says right here. Neodymium fishing magnet. So it did say this could hold up to 400 pounds. So we'll test that when we go fishing. This magnet also has a really strong clip on it that you can screw and it locks, so there's no chance of it coming off at all. And what else do we have in here? Oh, so they also gave us gloves here. They're pretty grippy. That'll come in handy when we're trying to have the slippery paracord, because it's gonna get wet, obviously. And a bag to keep all our stuff. So this all the stuff we got, and let's go check it out in the water. Alright guys, we're out at the lake setting up our magnet. Bro, what you laughing at, bro?
Stop.
Your hairline. Oh. Alright.
You got a big one?
We got this. You got a fish? No. Yeah.
What the heck?
Tie this around me. Sure this doesn't go nowhere.
Why is it connecting to this if it's rock?
I'm gonna just go for it. Oh, good.
Bro?
Oh, it came off. No way, dude. So, got a little bit, what are these? Metal chips. Yeah. Nothing that good yet. Like 5 feet.
Oh my, there's a guard. There's a guard right here.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's right here. It's right here.
What? No, don't do it. Don't. Look. You see this?
Yeah.
I don't know. It might be like real metal.
Probably like pavement or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But how would it stick to a magnet?
I don't know.
Iron in it.
Oh yeah, true.
It's an iron
Alright.
So guys, as you can see, we tried throwing the magnet a couple more times, but we couldn't get any luck getting anything that's actually valuable. I guess this place just didn't have that many objects in the water that we could grab with the magnet. So we will try going to some other places in the future. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later.